The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning. Welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday, FOMC Day. Hope everyone's had a great night. Hope everyone's ready to have a great day. I have no idea why I just sounded like Tony the Tiger. Anyway, good morning, Kevin, John, Imad, PJ. Yeah, Imad, if people watch them, then I get, a little bit more revenue. They do have the option of activating non-skippable ads. I've never turned that on. I don't want to annoy people. But, I mean, that would increase my revenue if I put on non-skippable. But I never have. So let's take a look at what we've done overnight. 40.86 for a high. It's trying to get back up there now. We can see it's tried to get it back up there a couple of times. 2, 3 times. Low is 40.71. So only about a 15 point range. Kappa. We have about 140 ticks. Gold. Looks like about 9 points of range. Ultra Bond. About a point and a half. Ultra Bond really was moving at Europe Open. Natural gas continuing to fall. Made a new low just in the last 5 minutes since I moved that yellow line as I was eating breakfast. 120 ticks in range. And last but not least, crude oil back up to 79. Just under a point in range. Bitcoin just above 23. That's where we sit and stand. PJ, I'd just like to point out that yesterday's high ended up getting up to 40.91. So, just a thought there for you. So, we're sitting about 48.3. Things have been moving up. Had a little bit of consolidation. We popped up. No. I didn't say why I was saying that at all. I was just pointing it out. No calling anything out. Just pointing it out. So, nice move up here. FOMC days are often kind of choppy. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna finish eating my last bite of eggs here. Give me a minute. Dakota. Take my supplements and then we'll be ready to rock and roll. Gonna rock all night long. Morning, be busy. No, never tried creatine. I mean, I take a host of other supplements, but never tried creatine. actually been seeing where creatine has some possible benefits for even, I mean, for other body systems besides just working out. It's not something I've looked into much though. This one right here, it wasn't really a trigger, but I could have used it as such if I wanted to. Would have gave me a couple points. I was busy eating eggs and taking supplements. And just so everyone knows, yes, I was eating eggs. That doesn't mean I'm wealthy. Yeah, no, I'm not going to drink them at all. I like to enjoy the taste of my food. Busy. The United States does not have egg futures, but China does. You would have to be on one of the China exchanges to do egg futures. Right now, I'm still paying. I think it's $20 for 5 dozen. Oh! Eggs have come down to 1882 for 5 dozen now. That's the first drop in price I've seen in months. I'm at it's between $4 and $5 a dozen. 1882 for 5 dozen if I buy the big box that like gets in the way of my fridge. It actually comes to $3.76. They were as high as almost $5 a dozen. And obviously it's different for different places. I'm sure, you know. Nice, I'm at. Yeah, 60 eggs would be $18.82 for me. Oh, down then up here. Hold on, I gotta find my chart. I think that's the right chart. There's the right chart. Need to put in Apex. I mean Blue Sky. Oops. Blue Sky. So I've had 4 straight green days here on stream. For about $1,036 or so. Taking the long here, though I don't like it honestly. And we might get out real quick. Oops. And I forgot to put on a ATM strategy. Hold on, I'll show my chart here in a minute. Oh, there it is. Okay. So we're in this trade. We're up a tick. We're no longer up a tick. Down a tick. Stop is 6 ticks. The reason I don't like it as much, it was a trigger candle, but you can see how we've struggled to get above this level here and here. So we'll see what it can give us. Maybe, maybe, maybe. If not, we'll get out. Yep. Remember, folks, if you're expecting to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. If you don't expect to enjoy today's stream, I question why you're here. But that's it. No pressure. Struggling to get above my entry. Entry's acting as resistance. Morning, I expect it's going to be might be a choppy day before FOMC. Yep, you're coming down. We're down 3 ticks. 4 ticks breaking the 20 EMA 5 ticks. Let's see what happens. I'm still testing a whole bunch of automated strategies. Still adjusting. The problem is, I mean, I had something that tested really well for like 3 months, and then the market changes, and then they suck. So it's like you need to figure out how to adjust them to the changes in the market. And I'm still working on it, playing with some trailing stops, playing with different parameters. But it's going to be a while yet. I forward test. I have like 20 sim accounts running tests every day. Well, the stuff I'm using is based on my strategy. It was written for me. And it's 100% based on my strategy. The problem is it's hard to filter out stuff like this on the automated strat. Like, it probably would have taken short here, and that which might work now. It might be smarter than me. But whereas I would, not take that quick dip and think more it's going to continue, which is the trade I'm in. So, uh, Burrow Investments, who you see in here most days, he may even be lurking right now. He runs a bot that he coded in Microsoft Word, and it runs on our Trader Pro, and he's pretty successful with it. This is about to stop me out. Let's see. That's still in the game here. It's time to play the game. It's all about the game and how you play it. It's all about control and if you can take it. believe that's an old Triple H theme song. Still in. I'm in at 40. Oh, back to my entry with a little burst. Yep, that might have been a gift that maybe I should get out there with a one tick loss. We'll see. Back down by 2 ticks. Grinding. We are grindy. Yep, yeah, it was a gift. I should have got out. Down wick now. One tick from stop out. Looks like we're leveling out. I have a feeling we'll see, but we kind of leveled out back here too, and then came up further. Little move up, leveled out. Little, bigger move up. Stopped out there, so we're down $75, which is a-okay. Oh. Yeah, I could have got out earlier there because I did feel like it was going to come down, but it gave it 6 ticks of room just in case. Now, this wick here, kind of, that the should have told me to maybe reverse. So down, up, failure, back down. The up move might be exhausted. And down was the direction. Down goes ES. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. big move down. So it definitely should have reversed and went short there. Nice little burst down. It was against my trading plan to go short, but that wick there kind of told me. It was like, hey, Ox, you should go short. And I was like, dude, a talking candle. What have I been doing? uh, I haven't done any of that in about 15 or 16 years. Broke the 100 EMA here, so technically that is in my strategy. But I don't like the way it's outside this band here. See if it comes up a little bit first and maybe then back down. Look for a down, up, down move. Wow. Yep. Nice. Yep. Nice little bounce here. That's why I did not go short. Did it kind of expect a bounce? Nice, busy. Great job. Yeah, back up to the EMA. So nice bounce there. Got down to 79 quarter. Back up to E2. See if it bounces up and then back down off this EMA. Oh, GED bought the dip. Good job. Yeah, this now I just totally blew that one. This was a trigger candle back up. I wasn't thinking. Let's see where it goes. Not gonna chase it. Once I miss a move, sometimes I had a tendency to chase. Trying not to do that anymore. We'll see if it goes. Oh, okay, JC. Yeah, I'm sure this wants to continue to go up like this. I think we might fade back down, but let's watch and see what happens. Just kind of sitting back here, sitting on the dock of the bay. Well, welcome everybody. It's unusual to have 25 people here already before the 8 o'clock hour. Hope everyone's having a great day. Oh yeah, I didn't check to see what other news we had today. I should go do that before it surprises us. We have U.S. ADP on a U.S. ADP employment change at 8:15. Canadian S&P at right at the bell at 9:30. U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI final at 9:45. U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI at 10. The JOLTS job openings report at 10. The U.S. ISM manufacturing prices paid at 10. Construction spending, and then at 10:30 we have crude oil. Sounds like fun. So it looks like I might have missed this move. Always follow your plan. That is, I mean, for me, seeing other people say things gets in my mind too. So I understand that. I'll be in a move, and someone will say, "Well, I think it's going to go the other way," or whatever. So, and I'll end up not taking a trade or whatever. Stick to your plan. Did you get out green, PJ? FYI, if I had been like cognizant, I would have taken this trade. I just somehow totally it was distracted with something. I don't even know what. Something shiny probably, and I just dismissed it. Excellent, busy. Good morning, trade together. Well, it did not get 2 points, and now it's dipping again. Top of the hour. I just paid my rent, which is 44 ES ticks. A little dip. Let's see if it rips back up. Yeah, seems like it wants to come down now. We want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. I hope everyone's having a good Wednesday so far. Ever feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions are always welcome. Comments. I used to say insults were welcome too, but some people took that too much to heart. Okay, so that would have not gone. Well, if I got in with no slippage, that would have gone exactly 2. I always make it 2.25 to account for slippage. So if I wouldn't have got it, it would have faded all the way back to down to a stop. Most likely, I was smart enough to get out when that candle popped there. But since I didn't take that trade, I don't need to worry about it either way. Morning, Matt. How you feeling today, buddy? I think we're coming down, but I could be wrong. But I'm taking a short here if this goes below the 100. Well, I'm glad you're here, Matt, no matter how you're feeling. It's always nice to see you. Bouncing on the 100. No, I have spy cameras installed in all of my viewers' houses. There's a break. Give it a break. Give it a break. Break it off a piece of that 100 EMA. Taking the short. Of course, it jumped a little bit there, but so we're in with a 1 tick slippage. Let's see if we continue down. Might be a day I end up fighting back. Looks like it's trying to bounce, yeah. But let's see. Taking my trades, taking my trades. That said, if someone wants to go in and short about 100, 200 ES contracts for me, I would appreciate it. 200 EMA, which I don't have plotted on here, is actually between me and my price, between the price target. You can see it down there, that green line. I gotta watch that. That's sitting at 40.7875. Gets down there, that'd be a point. I'll take it if I need to. Low volume so far. Down 2 ticks. JC, I don't know. I don't have VWAP on my chart. VWAP. VWAP. According to TradingView, VWAP's at 40.82. Down a point. So we've seen a failure there, the break of the 100. This might be another one. This one I expected to bounce. I did not expect this one. We'll see what happens. It is back above the 100. Down 3 ticks. 4 ticks. We have a bit of news in a few minutes. I think. I did say that, right? Wow, that quickly I forget. Yeah, say 15 US ADP employment change. Whatever that is. Up, back to my entry. Yay. Back down to being down 2 ticks. Not yay. That would be Burrell. John Burrell, Burrell Investments. Also, apparently, old Linux trucker. He's not often here in the mornings, though. It's Burrell. Burrell loves, only trades off our Trader Pro. You're welcome. Back to being down a full point. EMA is at 40.81 now. 20 EMA, sorry. Another little burst down. We're hanging in there. My entry's on the bid. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, now my entry's on the bid. There we go. Back to my entry. Now I'm back to that same question I had in the last trade. Is this a gift to get out here at break even? Or are we gonna push down? I'm gonna take another couple of ticks off the risk. Thank you, JC. There we go. Pushing down. It's at the 200. Struggling at 200 of a, well, was up a point. Taking it off the table there. I got two ticks. So small win for 25 bucks. So let me see here. Down $58 now after commissions. We'll see if I got out too early. Still, so far, you know, small win, slightly bigger loss than the win, but we'll see what happens here. Right now, it got, well, yeah, it just broke the 200. I should have stayed in. Should have listened to you, Busy. So we just got down to 40.78.25. For the 2 points, I would need it 40.77.75. Let's see if we get that. So far, nope. And there's a pop. Okay, yep, we do got news in less than 2 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. I've been back up to my entry point right there on that candle. I'm right back down though. Let's see what we get. So our first bit of news of the morning coming up. So remember, we have FOMC today, 2 o'clock Eastern, and the non-farm payrolls on Friday. I think there's a whole bevy of news tomorrow too. Okay, let's see what this gets us. Ooh, whoa! So it would have pushed down there to my target and then burst. I don't know if I would have got filled on that target. Big burst up there, 78 to 85. And now right back down. Hit that third band and just whoosh back down. Let's go look at the number. US ADP employment change actual 106K. Forecast is 180K. I'm not even sure what that is. I gotta go look at what that is. Whoa. A whole bunch of news just popped as well there. So I'm not sure if that was a good number or a bad number. They're showing it as red, so I'm assuming it was a bad number. Wow, it's given it all back. So the algos at first were like, "We love this. It's awesome." Oh crap! No, we hate it. Get rid of it. So now Ox stays out until it decides where it wants to go and what it wants to do with its life. What do you want to do with your life? I want to rock. There's down. Going down, down, down in a burning ring of yes. Another 4077 half. Back up. Right back up. So, choppy. Choppy with big candles. Yeah, oops, what did I just do? And Q, also choppy. What's the Ultra Bond doing? Ultra Bond market opens in just a... Oh, wow, look at the Ultra Bond. Ultra Bond really liked it. 6 ticks, 7 ticks. I have about 15 ticks there. And definitely getting moving before its market opens. What do you think, Dakota? Sell off when the market when their market opens? Remember, every now and then we have a little bit of a blip. And my internet's not been great lately. So remember to hit that live button to catch up to the live broadcast if you start lagging. And again, rejecting off that 100, but bands are kind of getting squeezy. Easy peasy. Bands are squeezy. So erratic a bit here while we try and find some direction. Which way will it go? Which way will it go? There's Ultra Bond's opening. Oh, pull back a little bit before the opening and then a rise up. Big rise up. Strong candle there. New high day for the Ultra Bond. Well, yeah, new high day. Nice job, Dakota. Wow. I've never heard of Universa, but Universa hedge fund manager says that their CIO Mark Spitznagel told investors to prepare for a tinderbox time bomb market crash worse than 1929. Well, I mean that'd be a great buy the dip opportunity if that happened. And we see ES trying to find footing on the upside. This was technically a trigger candle, and it looks like it's going to work, but definitely waiting for the next one because of this mess. It definitely looks like it's rising back up. Yeah, I can't actually read the story because it's on Market Watch, and I'm out of free articles for the month, and I ain't paying for it right now. Pulling back. Watching for a possible down, I mean up, down, up move here. We shall see. It's an up, down, up. We're living in a white, wedded world. Up, down, 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 down. And up. You can see how the 20 and the 100 are actually are like doing knots here. Knotting themselves up. Alright, good luck with that, Dakota. Rising back up here on ES, up to 81.50. Hitting that band, pulling back. Ooh, and reject it right back down. Chappy chappy. Like those commercials with Ginsu knives. Anyone that's an elite trader funding, they're doing one of their evals. They appear to be having a data issue. Be careful. That might be a Tradovate issue overall. I'm not sure. They didn't really say that. They just said we're aware of the data issue. Yeah. Still choppy here. Sideways. Now we have no news until the open, so we go an hour without any news. Nice. Nice, Dakota. Oh, yeah. Pop back up. Definitely can't decide where it wants to go today. So just kind of watching here, seeing where we want to go. Right now, not much going on. see here. Ultra bond still, well, came out, pulled down a little bit, back up to that high. Everything's kind of taking a breath. Now this was a trigger candle up. We'll see if it goes. It's hard to tell right now, so I mean, technically almost every candle right now, the trigger one way or the other. So this might be where it finally starts to break toward the upside. Honestly, this entire time I had an up bias because we were above the moving average here on the RSI, the Bollinger Bands. So I kind of had an up bias, but it's struggling to get above this area. So we'll see if it breaks. Yep. So I mean, I'm just staying flat here, sitting on my hands, as everyone says. Hey, speaking of the person that usually says that, second day in a row we don't have any Mr. G. Wonder where he's hiding. Excellent job, PJ. Uh, Not sure where G-Man's at. I think I might have upset him last week. Don't ever be upset about a green trade. You got some money. Just say next. Yeah. He's still in the Discord. Morning Hafiz. Oh, he's an awesome trader. He's sometimes trading 100 plus contracts at a time. Yes, 100 plus. He's been doing it for about 20. He's been trading for about, I guess, like I think it's like 20 years. And yes, it's not too horrible. Especially since I mean, he likes to use volume spikes. You know, he'll use a volume spike and play the reversal. That's why also though you won't see him take too many trades pre-market. He prefers the volume. But he also, I mean, he kind of builds up. It depends on the day. You know, the way he does it is, you know, I don't know where he decides to start, like how many contracts. But after he gets one win, he'll double his contracts. And after he takes a loss, he'll have you know, cut him in half. So, you know, let's say he starts at 10. If he, you know, wins a trade, he'll go up to 20. If he loses a trade, he'll go down to 5. And that's how he does it. As a buck, I was sleeping after midnight. I don't trade overnight. I start trading when the stream starts. I mean, Monday night I traded Asia just because I stream Asia, but I very rarely actually trade Asia, or I never trade Europe anymore. I have to sleep sometime. Morning, CBR. How you doing? How you doing, Zavok? I mean, I used to do a once a month overnight stream. I'll start streaming at 2 a.m. Eastern time and go all night. But right now, my financial situation means I can't spend that much time streaming. So unless, you know, people are going to pay me $50 to do that. And no, I'm not asking for anybody to make donations. I'm just saying, you know, right now I need to more concentrate on my earning times I can do earning stuff other than trading until I finally start taking some money from the trading. But once I'm making money from the trading, here in hopefully a few more weeks, maybe we can see about expanding the stream offerings again. Here's a rise up. Rise up. See how it's been struggling to get above this area, the 4081. Yeah, it's choppy. This is why you see me sitting on my hands. Well, you don't actually see me sitting on my hands, and it'd be very hard to use a mouse if I was actually sitting on my hands. So I'm not literally sitting on them. Plus, you know, I'm kind of you know, fat, so if I was sitting on my hands, they will quickly lose circulation. People are like, "What the heck is he jabbering about?" Funny thing is, I don't even know. And right back down. GC dumping. Let's check at that. Oh, wow. Yeah, GC's dumping. Jumped up to 1949, which was a very good year. Phillies legend Mike Schmidt was born in 1949. And dipping dots down to 42. Breaking that 100. This is on a 5-minute chart. 1-minute chart probably looks even better. Yeah, it's a beautiful. Right there with an entry. Could have wrote that down for a couple points. Good morning, Burl. JC had a question for you about RTrader Pro Burl. If you have a chance, I'm sure he'll ask it. John, good morning. Happy FOMC day to you as well. Sorry, I didn't get a card sent out. Didn't even get my FMOC tree decorated. PJ, notice what JC is saying there about journaling? That's to John. That's to Burl and not John DeFore. Oh, I'm not sure he uses Dom. We're in this range since that news. And we have about 15 minutes until top of the hour, 45 minutes to the bell. Oh, you can only set you can set a stop loss, but you can't do trailing on can't do it on Trading View. On Tradovate, the trailing is weird. That's the one thing that sucks about Tradovate is the trailing starts trailing. You got to set it where it starts trailing right away. So like every tick it goes, it's gonna trail by that tick. You can't set it to start trailing at a certain level. John Burrow, what JC's asking is in RTrader Pro, what is the purple on the RTrader Pro DOM? See, this is the range we're in. It's about a 5-point range. Up, maybe this is coming down. I like this type of move. This down, 2 bars up, and then down. Thank you, Burrow. We'll expect a full report in the morning. No, kidding. So we're hanging here, 40.79. Looking for ticks in all the wrong places. Oh, big bounce there on gold. Wow. So gold's the mover of the day so far. Big bounce. We like big bounces and we cannot lie. Let's see. I haven't even really checked on crude this morning. Let's see what crude's doing. Crude is wonky. Wonky, wonky, wonky. Technical trading term there. Wonky. Copper pushing down. Dow's wonky. Natural gas couldn't care less what's going on. Ultra bond a little bit wonky itself right now. Welcome everybody. Glad to see so many people here early this morning. So we head toward the 9 o'clock hour. Morning, Ace. Yep, if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd appreciate it if you joined the herd. Allows you to talk in the chat. I have it set to subscriber only mode for the chat because if not, then we get spammed with spammers. Questions and comments, always welcome. We have a good bunch, friendly bunch here. If I can't answer your question, they'll be happy to. Well, unless it's a question about the purple on our Trader Pro. And then we have no idea. I don't know. He's been Ace. He's been gone for about a year now, so I'm kind of thinking he's no longer around. That's awesome, John. Glad to hear that. Ace, I totally forgot to remind you yesterday about the trash. I hope you got it out. Yes, folks. Not only do I do trading, but I do trash reminder services. And one day I even helped Ace remember all the bills he needs to pay. Up, Tom Brady has announced his retirement from football again. So one more mediocre year caused him to lose his marriage. And then he retires again. Just gonna start about at 8 a.m. I'm going to have a message each day. Did you put your trash out? Sounds like a great plan there, John. I mean, not sure that we always see nice moves early. I know like last week it was pretty choppy early in the morning, not a lot of volume. But yeah, I mean, I always said that if I was totally free to decide when I traded, I would probably trade Europe and into New York and then sleep some during the day. Not much going on right now, just completely sideways. If you build it, they will come. Roots and Bootsin? I just really love saying that name. No, not yet. There's plenty of people here that do. I'm not there yet. Working on it. Expect it to happen this year. We definitely have a whole bunch of, well, I shouldn't say I don't know how many, but we definitely have a bunch of full-time traders here on the stream, in the chat. 2 p.m. Eastern, Ace. So 12 o'clock your time, I believe you're Mountain. Getting down toward the low of that range that we've been in. You're welcome, Ace. I will not be live streaming FOMC today. Dipping down. Again, hit that same low we hit earlier, 40.77, and bounced. Bounce back up to 40.78 half. Definitely choppy, slow. Now we have made a move down, but that was a grindy move down. We are just about 3 minutes until the top of the hour. Do you see the energies markets open? And then 30 minutes until the bell. Mind game is the biggest challenge for me as well. Morning, Sid. Yep, there we finally broke the range. Let's see if it holds. You can see now it's down to this area of consolidation from a couple hours ago. Yep, down to 40.75 half right here before the top of the hour. Yep, Ox always has the news. Sometimes I do weather and sports as well. See you at Ace. Have a good breakfast. I'll take some biscuits. I can't eat biscuits, but oh, they sound good. Well, as we approach the 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock hour, 8 o'clock my time. Yeah, I've have seen them. They are intriguing. Unfortunately, I think they're kind of expensive for me, but I'm still on pretty restricted budget. Hello, Freighter. How's it going today? There's our top of the hour. Oh, wow. Look at crude. Crude just fell like a rock, even though it's liquid. Crude market bouncing a little bit. It bounces a bit. That was quite the fall, though. Let's see here. Yeah, made a new low of the day. Not by much, but a little bit. Natural gas. Wow. I think natural gas is going to zero. Of course, I'm kidding, but well, we did see oil go negative once, so you never know. Little bounce here on ES. So got down to 40.74 half. Back up to 40.77. as we wait for the bell. Bells will be ringing. 1 for 2 on the day so far, down 58 bucks. Not bad. This blue sky. Trading account. Looking for funding in all the right places. Up 535 on that account over the first 2 days. Trying to make a 5th straight green day. No, I'm still trading that, just with putting the emphasis on the blue sky, since they gave me the eval to do on stream. Apex is right around break even right now. Hi, Avi. How's it going this morning? So sitting here, waiting. Still pushing down. Currently, just kind of chilling here. We did see this nice move down to 40.75 low a day. Low a day is 40.72. 40.71. So we're right near low a day. We still have a very small range of the day. 86 to 71, 16 points, 15 points. See how that decreases or increases once the market does its thing at the open. Sorry, forgot I had it on that screen. Popping a little bit up. Don't make us smack you, PJ. We're watching here. Pushing down. Hanging at 40.75. Hey, Sheriff. Haven't seen you in a while. How you been? Good morning, RJ. Popping back up to the EMA here with 20 minutes till the bell. Yeah, they announced that have fees on their Discord. I don't know. I don't know if it's NinjaTrader taking over Tradovate or if Tradovate's having issues now because there's so many more people coming on, but it seems like there's been more and more issues with Tradovate lately. Trade Day and I forget who else has Tradovate. I haven't seen anything from Top Step about any issues. Of course, I haven't really looked, but they didn't hit everybody. Let's see here. Don't see anything. No. Please don't revenge trade Hafiz. Take a breath. Just kind of breathe. There's always another trade around the corner. uh, okay, it's Tradovate. I don't always enunciate well, PJ. Trader bait. Yeah, I can see how you could hear that. Yeah. Wow. Yes, yes, Avi. It's been so hard for me to hold back the "I shot the sheriff" song on that. Oh, whenever I see his name. So far, I've been good, except for right now. And we are sideways again. Not a lot of opportunity this morning. I mean, yeah, I didn't want to trade anything in here. And it broke to the downside, but how was I going to know it was going to break to the downside? Blah, blah, blah. So hopefully we'll get uh, some, uh, some opportunities after the bell. See, I just couldn't do that, Avi. I just couldn't stand that long. I would need to be a sit-down comedian. Right now, it'd have to be tomatoes because eggs are too expensive. Popping back up. I'm still popping Dre Burton from the city of Compton. Kind of looks like a snake here on our chart. Give it an eye. Yes, it does. You can tell when the price action's boring is when I start adding eyes to the chart. All right, so RJ's looking short today. That said, right now I kind of like this as a move up short term, but I don't think I'm gonna take it. But yeah, I definitely keep an eye on what RJ says. He's often right. By the way, Ritz and Butson, RJ's another full-time trader. If Ritz and Butson's still here. I just like saying that name, Ritz and Butson. Yeah, it does, PJ. I always thought the best job in the world was testing out lazy boy recliners. Broke the 100, so it did pop up here. And if I had taken it where I said I was thinking it's going to go long, I would have got 2 points. Yep, I sit here in a big old recliner myself. No office chairs for me. Oh, fine. So I'm the only one in a recliner. Whatever. Make me seem all weird now. No. Yeah, yeah. Might want to hit the live button there. PJ, you might be a little bit behind on the broadcast. Hanging on the 100 as we get into the bell. We are, what, 7 minutes away or so? Only 2 trades so far this morning. Down $58 on the Blue Sky account. There will be opportunity to get it back. And if for some reason there's not, then we won't force it and we'll live the fight another day. But I mean, we know that FOMC days are usually choppy. And that's what we've kind of seen this morning with our snake. Oh, and remember that we do have news popping right at the bell as well. Canadian S&P manufacturing PMI. 15 minutes after the bell, a US S&P manufacturing PMI. And then at 10 o'clock Eastern, US ISM manufacturing PMI. And we're going to get jolted by the job openings report. And crude oil inventories at 10:30. Tomorrow's news, ECB monetary policy statement, jobless claims, U.S. factory orders, and of course Friday is non-farm payroll. Thank you, JC. No Crypticon yet this morning. Chris Moore's now been missing for like 2 to 3 weeks. G-Man missing for a week now. Mr. G hasn't been here the last 2 days. Where has everybody gone? Where have you gone, Joe DiMaggio? Less than 5 minutes to the bell. Take a quick gander at everything else. Copper pulled back. Natural gas pulling down. So let's see. Since we started, copper did make a new low for the day. Gold. It's been all over the place. Big dip. Now close to its high of day. Ultravod new high. That last hourly candle was 23 ticks. See natural gas making new lows. Crude oil kind of stagnant. Look at natural gas real quick while we wait for the bell. Like I've said in prior days, I really thought natural gas was going to 10 with everything going on with the war in Ukraine and talking about natural gas shortages. You can see we are at a... Ooh, that looks ugly. We're at the lowest point we've been in a long time. Well, not that long. What did I hit? Wait. Are we really that low? We got down below that level. Where's our... We're at levels we haven't seen since when? Ever? It starts back in 1990. Are we at all-time lows of natural gas? Wow, I think we are. So how about that? All-time lows on natural gas. I had no clue. Now I have no idea. Well, I mean, is that much lower than you normally pay there, JC? Or okay. So even though the futures are at an all-time low, the actual gas is in an all-time low. It did pop up a little bit there, broke down off the 100 as we are 90 seconds to the bell. January natural gas posted its second biggest monthly drop ever. Yeah, I know. I mean, we hit like 9 or 10 when Ukraine first, the whole Ukraine things first started. 9 or 10 on futures, not gallon, but I don't know what it was. But I know that you know my my power company, they do both natural gas and electric, raised rates big time, expecting major energy cost increases. They better drop those suckers. My power bill is $500 a month. That's for electric and natural gas. My furnace uses natural gas. Ding, 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 ding. There's the bell. I don't know what rate they're charging me. I should look. Not right now. You're going to charge me 40 ES ticks a month. Ooh, what did I just do? What did I just do? Oh, I accidentally got rid of my huh. Okay. So I accidentally got rid of my thing down below. So if we're seeing a bounce here, big bounce, I'll fix that when I can. Up to 40, 80, 75. And back down. Yes. Yes, it was painful. Well, and I mean, in the spring, spring and fall, during those months I don't need heating or cooling, it can be about 150. But I mean, I've never paid 500 before. But then part of it is this house I'm living in. I've mentioned how cold this house gets. Now, supposedly my landlord is fixing one of the problems on Friday, replacing this window in the kitchen where that allows air, so much cold air to come in during that cold snap back in December that I had bottles of soda freezing and exploding um, in the house. Supposedly that's being fixed on Friday, so that should improve things majorly. Popping up. Oh wait, I bring it back now comes so that's weird. Okay, get rid of that. Thank you. There we go. Now I'm back to being whole. Anyone trading Elite Trader funding, they say their data issues are fixed. You should log out and re-log back into your accounts. He says the entire window frame needs to be replaced, that it was rotted out by an air conditioner in the past. Plus, he has a piece of plywood over part of the window. I think it might actually be broken. Pull one down. Down's our direction right now. This is kind of what RJ was expecting, but it's very, very wicky. Wiki, wiki, wiki. Still nothing that I want to take here. I mean, I could have taken shorts, but I would need bigger stops. Looking for momentum down. Low a day. Down back here, which was 40.71. We're about 3 points off the low. Just hit that third band. You see that bounce right there, up by 2.5. Well, guys, I always suspected that it was eventually going to happen, and it just happened. TickTickTrader is now offering where you can pay directly for a funded account. No evaluation needed. I think that is a bad, bad, bad idea for the industry. $349 apparently. I believe that's what I'm reading here. They sent it out. They're doing a 1-year anniversary. Unleash your trading potential with a 25K direct performance account. They're only offering it from today until February 11th for a limited time for just $349 instead of $499. This offer gives you a direct performance account of a 25K, only one active account per user. Offer ends February 11th. And know your customer completion required for withdrawal. That's what it looks like. Here's the link. You can check it out for yourself. See if you. I mean, that's what I believe I'm reading. That's a big link. Holy crap, that's a big link. See if that even goes through. That's not going to go through. I'm going to try this link. That's not going to work either. Let's try something. Hold on. As we watch the market come back up. Let's try this. Yeah, click on that and see if that worked. That actually disgusts me, honestly. Anyway, back up. Yeah, and UV did not like. Oh, UV hated it. Hated it. Hate the hate. Seen that commercial way many times. See, I'm pulling down. ES popping up. This was the trigger candle, but you can see that big wick down. Now heading back up. Wow, rising up here. Yep, we did. Thank you for that. News reports in a few minutes. Sorry, I got kind of sidetracked on that whole tick thing. I apologize. I'm just yeah, it is live sim. Tick doesn't have any real live accounts. So yeah, it is live sim. But it's disgusting to me, and it seems like it's going to be a thing all the time for 500, well, 450 bucks. Yeah, it's probably going to be a cash cow for them, unfortunately. It's just disgusting. So our high day was 86. Gotten up to 82 here and rising. I was wondering who Buffalo was. It's a mix of Burl and Warren Buffett. Uh, well, honestly, Top Step was talking about regulation, and they made it sound like they thought it was going to come soon. But they also said a couple other things are supposed to be coming soon that never happened, so I don't know. And I feel that some companies are getting ahead of that. Apex is putting more people on live. ETF now has a live option. Tick though. I mean, Tick is running out of Romania, so I don't know. I'd be interested to see, what regulation can occur. I mean, will regulation go to Rhythmic and say you can't provide data to them, or CQG? I don't know. I do feel there's going to be regulation. I don't know. I don't want to see it hurt traders, but this type of stuff, in my opinion, hurts the whole industry. Mr. Burrows, Sid Chase wants to know where in North Carolina you are. I don't think he's a stalker. Who, Tick Tick? Tick Tick was my sponsor back in July, I think it was. Um, they're very rude to deal with, and I won't deal with them again. But they do pay their traders. I mean, I've never heard of anyone not being paid. Big drop here. So yeah, I mean they do pay. They paid me for the sponsorship, but they were very rude and not responsive to my messages during the sponsorship. So yeah, but I have removed them from the MightyOxTrading Discord. They're for the discount stuff. I don't I don't deal with them anymore. I probably should. Oh yeah, those reports. News. Let's see. U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI final 46.9. Expected was 46.8. Very, very slight beat. Peloton just just posted a good earnings report. So move up there in the news and possibly Peloton. Still looking. This is a trigger candle up, but I'm not trusting it. I hate that I can't. I don't feel like I could trust any of this price action yet. My beat stopped. '86 are high of Globex, which was on the first candle. It's trying to get up, but it's falling and it can't get up right now. My eventual goal. Ooh, wow, there's a break. 83 up to 80, almost 84. My eventual goal is to become better at like having two or three assets I look at, and not just the ES. So when ES is having a day like this, I can maybe look at gold and play gold, or play oil, or even the UB. But right now I'm trying to just hyper focus on one asset. Kind of sitting here. I want to trade, but I mean, this one would have been a decent take right here. This one would have worked. We're going to mark that in purple because that's the one I probably should have taken if there's any here that I should have taken. I didn't trust this. Well, this one here I didn't trust, but this one here bounced and bounced back up. That was the perfect one to take. It's the only thing I consider a miss right now from this mess. Miss from the mess. Now we're rising up. That's a new high day. So we found direction. That direction for now is up. 40.87.5, new high day. And we're pulling back a bit. So now we're hemming and hauling around 40.88. Let's take a gander. Yesterday's high, 40.91. And then high of the week, no, high of Friday was 41.09. So we'll keep those numbers in mind as we continue to rise up here. And we have news again in 5 minutes. The JOLTS report and the US ISM manufacturing, PMI. And US construction spending. I'm not sure really what that does. $40.89. It's slowly climbing. RJ is asking everyone what their favorite muscle car is. I am not much of a car guy. I mean, I like to look at them, but I don't know much about them. If I open the hood, I can recognize that there's an engine in there. I can't even change my own oil. We're having a little bit of swirling issues. Thank you, Comcast, once again. It might be. I'm starting to wonder if it's my Wi-Fi. Pulling back here after hitting 40.89.75. News in a couple minutes. I had a 1977 Chevy Monte Carlo. Not a muscle car, but was an interesting car to drive. Seem to have stabilized now. The connection, not the market's been way too stable. There's only a 305 engine in it. I know some people had them with 350s, and I guess some people put 454s in them. But yeah. Yep, V8. When I had it, I mean, this was a long, long time ago. It only got like 10 to 12 miles a gallon, so it will like destroy me now. Back then, gas was like $1 a gallon. It destroyed me then too because I was working at McDonald's. Car gave me so many fits. Hotel California. We're hanging here. Signs are starting to point like we've hit exhaustion level. News report in just 30 seconds. Remember news? News coming up. That last internet blip caused us about 10 viewers. I hate that. I hate it. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see what this news does. We're going to get jolted by the JOLTS report. Ooh, whoosh. Well, that was a whoosh. 11-point drop. Bouncing now. I can't fight this feeling anymore. Sorry. Hope that didn't ruin the song for you. Anyway, so jolt it down. Let's look at the numbers. US ISM manufacturing PMI 47.4. Expected it was 48, so that was a miss. US JOLTS job openings 11.01. Expected was 10.3. That was a big difference in what they expected. Construction spending was a little bit of a miss. Crude oil inventories in half an hour. Trying to pop back up here. Good morning, Glitch. How you doing? Wow, Sid, that's awesome. Congratulations on that. And trying to break through this 100 EMA. Fun fact about the Ox, I have never been to a wedding. Bouncing on the 100 again. Thought about taking that short there, did not. Should have, but I didn't. Never. Never been to a wedding. Wow, big drop here. So now we're expanding to the downside down to 40.74. Are the bears starting to get the control that RJ was looking for? Look at GC. Oh, gold dropping, new low a day. So look at that. You know, got up to almost 49, all the way down to 39, 38. A little bit of a bounce. Beautiful move there in gold. Yes, bouncing a little bit. So bounced up after hitting that third band. If you hit 3 bands, you've probably drank too much that night and you shouldn't be driving. You also shouldn't be driving in a parade route. Popping up here. There we go. We'll live stream the wedding on MightyOxTrading. There's a wick. It tried to get back above the 100 and did not. It's flirting with it. It's kissing it. Taking a short here. Wow. Took a short there. Ah. Target hit before I even found the way to activate my software. So here's my chart here. You can see it real quick. Sorry about that. You didn't get to see the move, see me actually take the trade. 40.79 down to 40.77 for a quick 100-point gain there within less than 30 seconds. So that was a win, and we're back to green now in the day. Down to 40.75. So that was a win. Let me run the winner thing. And I need to set this whole thing up better so I'm not fumbling to find the button to... Oh, and while I'm looking here, I see Sola Safade. If I pronounced that wrong, I'm sorry. New subscriber 27 minutes ago. If you're still here, thank you for joining the herd. We appreciate having you. Feel free to say hello in the chat and introduce yourself if you wish. And let me quickly figure out where we're at total wise here. Boom, boom, boom. $50 taking 3 trades, so that's $12. So up $38 now. So it's a green day. Not much of a green day, but it's a green day. In the end, it's right. I hope you've had the time of your life. Anyway, why did I take that there? It came up and we had this wick, and it just kept rejecting here, not hitting that, not staying above that 100 EMA, and I just felt like we were going to drop. We dropped quicker than I actually thought we were going to drop. uh, Definitely feel like I'm reading the market better. It's just something seems to have clicked. Hopefully it continues clicking. Not like a really loud clicking because that could get annoying and might distract me. Mind you, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I would appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. We've been getting over 30 a day every day this week. We're at 25 now. Does everyone think it's weird that Ace jumped in about a muscle car and then totally disappeared again? Yeah, I have been. I just been, to steal a phrase from Nike, just doing it, taking the entries when I see it. And now we are bouncing off both moving averages. Moving averages are kissing. Off the move. Yeah, I know, Ace. I was just joking around, bud. I know you're out there working hard in the kitchen. We're back at that 4079 number that was Dakota mentioned earlier. It's either Dakota or JC. Sometimes get them mixed up, and I probably shouldn't admit that, but it's Dakota. I was right. Hello, welcome to Ace's Kitchen. May I please take your order? Oh, Ace, to be honest, there was a couple of days there that when my stomach was really acting up last month that I thought about trying to stream from the bathroom. But I don't have a laptop. Up and back down. think we're going to come back down here, but I'm not taking this trade. But there was my thought process, so let's see if it worked. Works, I guess I should say, not worked. Another fun fact about the ox, I've never had Nutella either. So if I go to a wedding where they're serving something with Nutella, they'll knock out two different things at once. And see, I was wrong about the whole down thing. It's a bad idea to take your birthday skateboard. Yep, what Dakota says is right. We may be dead from now until the FOMC. But dead or not, we continue to stream for the next 45 minutes here on MightyOxTrading. Not really. I took one trade, PJ. A lot of this is just chop. That trade got me the green, but it's still not giving us much. As for what else you missed, we were talking about muscle cars. We were talking about Ace making breakfast and Ace's kid wanting to take their skateboard to school. Oh, there's that down move I thought was going to happen here. Pop first and now down. Oh, yes. And RJ's pending nuptials, which he apparently is not 100% sure about yet. Oh, and I told everyone that I've never had Nutella and I've never been to a wedding. Also, never been on a plane. Have a great day, Dakota. Thanks. See you tomorrow. That's correct, PJ. There's many, many, many things I haven't done in my life that normal people have done. Well, I mean, I kind of did that with PJ. Back in the day, a friend of mine went from Warnersville to Ephrata over the mountain in 12 minutes in my Monte Carlo with me in the passenger seat. That was kind of scary. Popping up. I don't know if we're gonna get anything else. Of course, we'll continue to watch, but it's just Chop City, Chop City, USA. Ultra Bond hit its high there, 143.30, and it's dropped over a full point down. Crude oil's made a new daily low and then bounced. Gold. Gold's kind of choppy now too. Copper made a new low a day. Agriculture heading downward. Bitcoin hanging right above 23. Oops. The last hour, as in like before closing in the afternoon, you mean? Yeah, they call that power hour. A lot of people like that. Today it might be today with the FOMC that it might not be might not be less fickle. Down, up, down. Squeezing a bit. Not much to say. Do a crude oil inventories in 6 minutes, 7 minutes. That's something fun to watch. Another breakdown here. So far, it looks like it wants to come down. We caught that move down there, came up, kind of failed. Move down would have been okay, and here's another move down. No, it's 3 trades today, John. I took 1 loss, 1 very small win, and then 1 2-point win. I was in the hole by $75. Then it was $58 down, and now $38 up. That is after commissions. One of the things I really like about Blue Sky on their evaluations, their commissions are $4. It's very easy to do the math to put up the P&L after commissions. Oftentimes, most other evals, I'm not there trying to figure out what the commissions are. So I'm just putting up the gross P&L instead of the net here with Blue Sky. I'm doing the net. Yep, green is green. So if I finish the day here, I don't get another trade, which is very possible. I do kind of like a long here, but I'm probably not going to do it. I mean, it'll be 3 straight green days, and after 3 days, I'll be up $573. Up and down, John. I haven't been putting as much effort into it lately. I need to start doing some more testing, adjustments, and stuff. I mean, some days it's great, some days it's horrible. There's no real consistency. we'll continue to work on that. But I have some other priorities I want to start getting to. I need to get a website built for MightyOxTrading, and I want to start making more videos that not live streams. Ouch, John. Yeah, gold's been kind of erratic today, but had a nice move up earlier. Looks like gold would have been more fun to trade today than the indices. I have a lot of ideas for this channel. I just need to find the time because right now money's getting tight again, so I need to focus on making money. So it takes away from the whole building the channel thing. But I have like literally 100 ideas for videos for the channel. You're in a sell position on gold there, John? Got about a half an hour to go in the stream. Hope it gets there for you, John. Sometimes this is the hard, very hard part of trading is just sitting here and doing nothing because the market's giving you nothing. Like I said, I would like to start eventually, becoming good at, like, say, a second asset or, 3 assets where when it's days like this, I can just say, well, let's look at gold. And, we can see that there's some nice moves here on gold right there. Or crude oil or ultra bond. The ultra bond made this nice move down, etc. Speaking of crude oil inventories here, well, look at that wick on crude before inventories. See it wick down, 23 tick, so right back up. So let's see what inventories do on crude. Suddenly got the hiccups. Big hiccups. Good. Let's see. All right, Burl, see ya. For inventories, this is not a real whippy action here. Let's see what the numbers were. Crude oil inventories, actual 4.14 million, and the forecast was negative 1 million. That seems like a pretty big miss. Crude's coming. It's coming down. It's not a real big move here. Usually, a lot of times you'll see crude just absolutely whip around on inventories. Now it's fallen about 25 ticks. Okay, there we go. It's delayed response, about 31 ticks. It's a pretty big candle. There's the bounce. This would have been a good candle to take. I like that candle, and I was watching crude. I like this as a strong candle. It's bigger than anything we've seen here in the past half hour at least. A little bit of a pullback, and it would have gave us, entry would have been around 40.82, went up to 40.84, so it gave us two. Excellent job, Busy. Crude's bouncing though, right back up. Wow. Back up to its 100 EMA there. Down, up. Down, up. Sound off. 1, 2. Pulls back. Still does a very slow grind, even if it is trying to push up now. Sorry about the yawn. Mama said there'd be days like this. My mama said, mama said. I don't feel like I was too conservative today. You know, there just wasn't comfortable opportunities. Often, there's many days you'll hear me say, I should have taken that. I should have taken that. I should have taken that. Today is not one of those days. I mean, there are certain areas that did fit my trading plan, but after this chop, this doesn't feel that comfortable. This was the only one I really consider a miss. One I actually marked here. This dip down and right back up. That would have been a good trade. But that's the only one I really feel I missed. And slight green is a lot better than a red day. Someone named Ranger1958 just joined the Discord. If you're in here, let me know and I'll manually approve you. So you have to do the verification. There's a bounce off that EMA. So it says we've gone up 4 subscribers in the last few minutes. I don't know if that's right or not. But if anyone has just joined the herd, welcome. Thank you for being here. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Introduce yourself if you feel comfortable doing so. Love to hear from you. And we're just sitting here. Sitting on the 20 EMA. Watching candles slip away. Little push down here. But not much. Great job, Hafiz. Glad to hear you're green. Popping back up, but chop, 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 chop. I need a chop animation. Not that good at making animations. I meant I was just gonna try to find something on the internet. I don't no skill in making animations. I need to find an editor for my videos that I want to make. Find someone that wants to run a website. We're sitting there. Another pop-up. That is a trigger candle. I just don't know. I'm not taking it. So it's going to go like 100 points now. Yep. And then glad I didn't take it. So unless something really weird happens, I'm probably not taking another trade today. But we'll continue watching the market and see if it gives us anything. But back down. Yep. Burl's closet looks empty now with no gold in it. Those gold bars. We push on down. So about 80% of you think we're going to see 80 basis points. About 80% of you think we're going to see 25 basis points. 20% of you think we're going to see 50. 44 votes. Maybe, yeah, the market is all choppy because of the Tom Brady news. Everybody's like all sad that Tom Brady's leaving the NFL. Not that he's really leaving, he's becoming an analyst. Now, he's retired now for at least the next couple of weeks. I don't know, the way 49ers lose quarterbacks, I don't know if I want to be 45 years old behind their line, 46 years old behind their line. He might literally die. Just hanging here, 40.76. .4074. So Bulls and Bears never really got control either way. We got a little bit above our Globex high, but only by like 4 points, 3 points, something like that. Now it's trying to challenge lower day again. 4071 lower Globex. We just touched 4071 half. Oh, man, there's a new low day. 4070 quarter. So, we're obviously missing this move, but how would we know? The only thing that might have told us is that it rubbed against this band here. Down, up, down. Great job, Glitch. Have a great day. Last call for likes. You want to hit that like button. It's about 10 minutes to go. So 40.76 3/4 is our new low. And looks like $38 is going to be our P&L. You know, missing this move here kind of sucks. Obviously, it's just dropped by like 15 points in like 10 minutes, but there was no indication that really that was going to happen. At least not to me. So quick move down here. This is what RJ was talking about before the open. And it finally happened. Yep. RJ called that. Just took longer than I think he expected. Welcome back, Ace. Everybody out the door? We'll have a little bit of a blip again, so hit your live button, guys. A little bit later today, Ace. Aren't you usually out running on your trail by now? Hey, tomorrow, busy. Yep, we're two likes short of 30. We've done 30 every day this week. I have lots of ideas for like videos and stuff. I'm trying to figure out what shorts I would make. I've been thinking about that, Ace. I'm not sure what I would make though for shorts. I have lots of ideas for longer videos. Yeah, I don't want to turn people away from the channel. I mean, I thought about like a quick trade of the day. You know, quick. This is why I took it. This is how much I made. Yeah, I I believe I could set up my software to do it, or I guess I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm trying to work on these ideas. I like literally 100 regular videos I could make right now. I even made a list. Yeah, the phone would be. I can't do the phone because if I'm going to do like a trade of the day type of thing, then I need to be able to show the chart. If it's just me talking about something, but I don't like to show my face, so. I have so many ideas. I just need to find the time. Ace, do you have a YouTube channel I don't know about? Did you know this so well? There's my 30 likes. Thank you, guys. Gals. Thank you, Sid. And Ace is right there about shorting. It's trying to get below that low a day of 40.65 that it made just 5 minutes ago. Burst down one tick lower than that. Well, let's watch, see what it does here. Bounces. Kind of hemming and hauling. Then we'll call it a day here in a couple minutes. I'm not taking any more trades. I'm just curious to see where this goes. So we're ending the day up only $38, but it's another green day, which would be my 5th straight on-stream green day. Average of those 5 days is a little over $200. It's 5 days and About 1,050 bucks, so a little over $200 a day. If I could keep that average, that would be awesome. Every 6 weeks, JC. Always on a Wednesday, every 6 weeks. So the next one will be in mid-March. So, okay, we're going to call it here, guys. I want to thank everyone for joining me. It wasn't an exciting stream, but we had some good conversation. Have a great day, JC. Have a great day, everybody. Remember, if you're trading in the afternoon, be very careful around that FOMC. It can be an account killer if you're on the wrong side. Talk to everybody tomorrow. We'll talk about what the FOMC decision was and see how it affects the markets. Have a great day, everybody. See you tomorrow morning, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.